So once again, good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
And again, this is Ramnath from SNS Academy. Here in the previous session, we spoke about a design thinking on the triangle and its properties. So this is the time to consult about a case study. Let's take a case study about it. Okay, fine. And what are the things we have consulted about the triangles? Can you just recall it, please? What are the things we have consulted? Yeah, please. Yeah.
A triangle is based on sides and angles. The angles are acute, obtuse, and right angle triangle, and sides are right angle triangle, equilateral, isosceles, and scaling.
Very good. So now we have consulted about the types of the triangles based on its angles also, and we know that there is a equilateral means sides are equal, right? And we spoke about a right angle and we spoke about a obtuse angle, isn't it? Now I will tell you about one more angle which is nothing but this. One is acute angle, another one is obtuse angle. One more angle you can say what is this? Reflex. It's a complete angle we can say. Okay, fine. So why we are talking about a complete angle right now? You told about one of the angles 90 degrees in the right angle triangle, and the rest of it, what are the angles will be? What will be the rest of the angles? It will be an addition of 90 degree. It will be addition of 90 degree, which means maybe a 30 degree we can say, maybe a 60 degree we can say. So both will be the acute angles, isn't it? Why it should be an acute angle?
Because in a triangle, the angle should sum up to
180. What is the reason now? If it is a triangle, the total angle is supposed to be 180 degree. Already we have proved that one of the angles is 90 degree because we are choosing it as a right angled triangle. Okay, right angle triangle, and the rest of the angles 100% it will be a acute angle. Because if it is obtuse angle, it will be more than 90 degree. Already one of the angles what it is? 90 degree. So there will be no chance to prove it. Another angle will be more than 90 degree. Isn't it? So now we have to know one concept. It is, if it is a triangle is given, means by the sides it is okay, 3 sides, let it be a equal sides or 2 sides, or all the sides will be different. It is not an issue. But when it is come to the angles now, we have to know the total angle. The sum of the angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. So whatever type of triangle you take, the sum what should come it is 180 degree. So once you go with that right angle triangle, one angle will be 90 degree. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about the equilateral triangle. What do you mean by equilateral triangle? When all the sides are equal, there is a chance that is all the angles also will be equal. Why the 60 has been mentioned? Sum up to 180 degree. And one more option, can we say that? Now we are talking about an equilateral triangle. When it is an equilateral triangle, the 3 sides are equal. Am I correct? 3 sides are equal, which is equal to how many degrees there? 180 degrees. So the S is equal to 180 degree. We are going to use the transpose right now. Am I correct? And S is equal to nothing but it is 60. Which means one of the angle will be 60 degree. I told about the side, but actually it is about the angles. One side will be 60 degree. So this is not an equilateral triangle now. It is not. It's an equiangular triangle. Equiangular triangle by the angle we are talking about. Okay. Then another 2 more types of triangles will be classified by the angles. One is acute angled triangle. What do you mean by acute angled triangle? All the angles will be acute angle. Is it clear? And obtuse angle triangles. One angle will be the obtuse angle triangle. Other angles will be the acute angle triangle. So by using the angle criteria also we can classify the triangles. One is equiangular, next is acute angled triangle, and next is obtuse angle triangle. So in the next class we will talk about the properties clear. Okay, what are the properties we are going to learn with the triangles? Okay, so we are going to learn about the congruent triangles. Okay, and similarity. What do you mean by similar? The term is
I think that has a common point factor of another.
Common point factor. If I want to show that a similar triangle means what you can show it. Two triangles will be there. Similar, can you show it?
Both has three sides.
Three sides then. If it is a triangle, three sides then.
You can do it based on its angles or its sides. Both are acute angle or both are equally acute.
So in the next class, let's talk about the rest of it. Okay, we'll see the complete properties. Okay, as for now, this is what the case study we have done it on the triangle and its properties. We'll meet in the next class. Until then, bye friends.